Right, Jason is starting to tackle the bonnet with polishing and clay barring. Clay barring to start with, Zen polishing, because of course I did show you guys that there is a shadowy effect from the decals. So I'm going to start, I might have attempted the other side, I'm going to start to try and get these off. Although, you know, very nice, very lovely, not quite what we're after here. So there is a mountain of tiger seal holding these on both sides.
The whole tube.
The whole tube has been, in fact, used to keep these on the car. So I'm going to attempt to get them off. So I heated up the side of the car with a heat gun and used this trim tool, trying not to scratch the paint, to actually get in between the metal and this plastic eBay side piece. So that's off. Then we used a toffee wheel to get the excess tiger seal off the car. This worked out really, really well, but of course not going too hard, so we start to burn the paint on the car. After a bit of time, as you can see, parts of the tiger seal had started to come off. It's gone everywhere, mate. Literally everywhere.
Fluffy.
Yeah. Why would you put so much tiger seal on the side of a car? That's the question.
I don't know. I thought it was holding on to another car.
Yeah, I thought, yeah, that's it. They were never coming off, were they?
No, not nice.
Okay, so as you can see, both aftermarket shields are off, as you'll see.
Shields?
Shields. I'm calling them shields. Shields. We're going to put some OEM ones on there.
I'm going to call them Mark II Focus RS imitation plastic.
Yes, that's exactly what they were. They were indeed that. Jason at the front of the vehicle, preparing it to actually see down the road. I like your camping chair.
This is a this is a public service announcement as well. Please, 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 do not put eyelids on headlights, because when you want to remove them,
look how much you've got to do.
I'm having to sand away a lot of headlight in order to level it out with this part of the headlight. You know, unless they're there for life.
There forever. Don't do it. So
just use a light tint. Don't use actual vinyl.
Yeah, that has, as you guys saw, it's taken the top of the headlight and just.
It's not looking too bad, that one.
Yeah, that one's looking alright. Of course, it's not clean back, so you can't see the finished result yet.
No,
as you can see,
we're sanding. We're on 800.
800.
Yeah, it's the only one that's touching the surface where it's all gone crackly.
Yeah.
You know, like where the sticker's eaten into it.
Yeah.
It's just not a good time.
Nothing a bit of hard work and graft won't fix.
These aren't cheap headlights, either.
No, these are actually quite nice Xenons. So
they're the same as a Focus RS Mark II.
are they? Exactly the same. Oh, well, there you go then. Learn something new every day. I should probably have known that. Jason, how are we?
We're doing well. So
Yeah.
I've fixed that headlight.
Should we come? Oh, hold on. I'll come round and we'll see it in first hand as I walk around the car.
I've got to get rid of all that scaly under the plastic stuff.
Oh, look how lovely they look though.
Yes.
Considering how much of a craze was across that top. Mate.
Got a bit of refining to do, but yeah, I mean, I'm happy with that. Just about to do this one. There's the headlights done. Started polishing inside the bonnet there.
Yeah, it's putting up a fight in it, that bit.
But the light, sorry, the headlights were distracting me, so I kind of gave up. So yeah, we might have to flap this. Not
to be fair, on camera you can't really see it, but there is still like a ghosting of the logos and that on there.
And
so
I've hit it hard with a rotary and it's still ghosting. So yeah, it's had some UV boil.
Yes,
Definitely been boiled.
I think
up
we'll
by
come
the
back
sun.
to that.
How nice does that look?
oh yeah, look at the state of it. We actually have the MOT coming up tomorrow, so we of course can drive the car to the MOT station. Hasn't got an MOT on it at the moment. It has elapsed. But looking like it shouldn't need too much. It is a big gamble again to buy something with no MOT. Fingers crossed it's alright. But today I'm going to start clay barring the car because he's done such a good job on the headlights. The next bit for me, of course I'm no detailer and I always say this at the start of videos, is that I'm just here to have a laugh, I'm here to enjoy cars and save something. No MOT, sat for months. This thing needs saving, in my opinion. So, we're going to get the clay bar out, we're going to start clay barring the sides, the roof, the boot, and then I'm going to have a go at polishing the car. Try not to burn through it though, because the paint on this is genuinely lovely for the mileage, for the age. It's a really, really good paint to start with. So yeah, let's get on clay barring, see how it comes out. Right, so I have finished, hold on. So, finished going around the car with a clay bar. and yeah, got all of the stuff off it that I can. Jason's just come in actually, he's super busy in here today, but he's just shown me the most basic way of making this car look shiny. So, this is before. You guys can just about see that. Streaky, horrible, and then he's literally just done this bit here. So, I'm going to try and mirror that all the way around the car. You can just see there. Yeah, you can see that. So I'm going to try and mirror that around the car. Of course, I'm going to say again, I am not a detailer. I just like cars. I want to make this thing as nice as possible, so I'm going to have a go myself. Let's get the rotary going, shall we? See me finish up the bonnet there. Just went back and gone over the spoiler as well because I wasn't too happy with how it was looking, but there is tons of just stuff all over the car now. Of course, we're going to wash it down next, but I'm so happy with how this thing is coming out. It is just becoming the car that you want, the ST that you want, in my opinion anyway. Just look down this side, although there's loads of stuff on it, residue. It is looking, that rear quarter, look at that. It is looking absolutely insane now. And I will say, to every detailer out there, hats off to you. This is bloody hard work. Literally that bit of video you just saw there has taken me about 4.5 hours. So, you know, I'm no professional detailer. I try to do this as well as I can, but also, you know, it does take me a little bit more time. So about 4.5 hours I've taken to actually do what they call a stage 1 across the car. And yeah, I'm, again, we'll just get a rear quarter shot. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Like, the paint feels good. I'm really, really happy with that. I'm happy with how this car is coming out. Next up though, let's get it on the wash bay, get the rest of this residue off, and hopefully we've got a nice car. Hopefully I haven't scratched it more, eh? Right, so Jason just pulling it out there. We're going to take it over to the wash bay because that's what next. We need to get all this residue off the car, all the, you know, bits that I've missed as well. We'll see which bits I've missed right now. Probably a few. That's fine. It's looking so good outside though. Look how good this thing looks. Oh. Hey, what a transformation just in the short space of time. Love it. Jason, I'm a professional detailer.
Okay.
Yeah, well, I don't know about that. That's a lot to say for myself, but it's alright. It's looking good, isn't it?
Yeah, it's going to blast off all the polishing debris, dust, another shut wash, another wheel wash, bang some SiO2 hydro on the top of it. We're ready for MOT.
Yes.
Look at those lights.
Look at that. All lights. It looks so much better.
Gentile.
Look how good this thing looks now. Let's just get this shot. Oh, look how good it looks, mate. Yeah, so Jason had just gone round the car, cleaning it up, making sure all the residue is off. I didn't want to do that because I don't want to scratch it again, because although I've said it before, I'm into cars, I get it, but cleaning cars is not my forte, as they say. Look how good this thing's looking. Look at it there. Oh, mate. So I'm going to put it back into the end bay and woo! Not too much, just right. No crazy pops and bangs and stuff, little bit of rumble here and there. She's alright. Does alright that, mate. Let's pull the car back in with Jason and we're going to end today's video there. We have done so much, of course, in today's video, although it doesn't look like I've done a lot. The car is at an amazing point where it is absolutely gleaming. And of course this does, okay, nothing for the MOT, I do get that, but tomorrow we will find out whether this thing goes for an MOT or not, whether we've bought the worst car, whether we've bought something that we shouldn't have, we shall see. It's a big risk at this point to even put all of this work in and the time, but mate, I'm up for it, why not? Thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.